At our childhood, have you remembered one story we learned? What was the story? Tortoise and rabbit. Remember? Tortoise and rabbit running race. In every book, academic book, this story is there. Tortoise and rabbit running race. Obviously, just generally, who is going to win the race? Generally, forget about story kind of thing. Generally, who has to win the race? Rabbit. Because rabbit can run with full speed. But what the rabbit is always going to do, it will run sometime and then sleeping, and then run sometime, it is then sleeping. Whenever it is sleeping, so under the tree. But this tortoise is never going to stop. Slowly, it will go. Then obviously, finally in that race, who won? Tortoise only. Slow and steady wins the race. Slow and steady wins the race. Or if you are not stopping your journey, you're never going to fail. Once you stop, then obviously you are going to fail. You should be in the moment. How small you are doing, that thing is not important. Are you doing something or not? A small progress is also progress or not?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
A small progress is also progress or not? I saved 1 rupee only. But have you saved that 1 rupee is also saving or not? So,
Yes, sir.
the important point for you people, concentrate on
Small activities.
Consistent.
But
With consistency.
Consistent. Better to do that. If I want to read a book. Compulsory I require to read a book. Book reading must be required for me because successful people followed book reading kind of thing. Yes, excellent. You got wonderful idea. Today onwards, at least 1 line in the book every day I have to read. How many lines?
1 line.
1 line. Or at least 1 paragraph I want to read every day. That's it. How simple it is. Is there any chance to fail that activity?
Not at all. Yeah.
Not at all. 1 line or 1 paragraph, we can do that. Okay, like that. So, bigger concern. So, here the problem here is, there is another bigger problem is there. The problem here is, they want immediate results. Have you observed? They want instant results. That is the bigger problem. Instant results they require. That is the bigger problem. Microwave oven results the people are expecting. That is the bigger problem. The people who are having this type of mentality, they're never going to succeed. By reading 1 line or 1 paragraph, this book is not completed. Okay. Enta chadivina book complete outla. How many times I read, I didn't come. I'm not in a position to complete this book. This is not the way. Later I will think better way. They are going to leave.